Good morning, DCF Bergen campus. It is Thursday, May 14th, 2020, and we are back for another Mr. E's Minute. You can see my hat. Actually, it probably makes it look worse than not wearing a hat. It's not a great hat, but it is a hat of my alma mater, St. Joseph High School in Tuchin. So I wanted to shout those guys out. Shout a lot of people out lately, so that's pretty cool. So hello to St. Joe's. Please, if you haven't done it already, please get your responses in for Miss K's Corner, Wacky Wednesday, baby of the week. Put your guesses in. There's prizes. It's a lot of fun. I'm hearing there's a lot more responses this week, but if you haven't done it already, please send Miss Coons a message. Just hop on your email and go for it. Yeah, I gotta take this hat off. That hat's not great. Okay, so going into weird holidays. Today is international or national. It's one or the other, but it's a big event. Dance like a chicken day. I'm not going to do it, but you certainly can celebrate Dance Like a Chicken Day if you so please. So I'm just thinking about the madness that may ensue at David's house if that goes on. So I apologize, Miss Mary, if our gentlemen want to partake in Dance Like a Chicken Day. And finally, our joke of the day for the Mr. E Minute on May 14th is, what do you call a fish with no eyes? A fish. Because you take the eye out. Okay. That is the Mr. E Minute for today. We'll see you tomorrow. It's a Flamingo Shirt Friday coming up. Goodbye.